In this video, I'm going to be showing you a number of platforms that actually pay people to actually write. Now, writing is one of the skills that has earned me the most money in the digital space. And a very simple thing I would do is to show you a number of this website, how you can actually register for this website, the tools you would need to write, just in case you do not even know how to write. Now, if this is your first time on my channel, do very well, hit on the subscribe button, like this video. And if you're a returning subscriber, do very well to hit on the notification button or like this video so that more people can be helped and more people can see this. Without further ado, let's hop right in. Let me show you how this works. Writing is the most lucrative skill out there, and I feel like everyone who is interested in making money online should jump on it. There are about 600 million blogs out there and about 2 billion monthly search. And guess what these people are searching for? Articles. They are all readers that are reading one thing or the other on the internet. And guess what? You, my friend, can be one of those people who actually make a lot of money from actually just writing and publishing articles in the internet space. Now, in this video, I'm going to be showing you a couple of websites that would actually pay you, and all you need to do is to actually create content. All you need to do is to actually write. Now, even if you do not know how to write or you've never been a writer, I'm going to show you how you can actually hack this and how you can actually find your ways through the different websites I will show you. Now, this website actually pay you for writing. This website actually pay you just for creating content, because for most of this website, unlike the conventional blogging where you need to write and start sourcing for viewers, readers, and do a lot of work on the ground to get your articles to rank on Google. This is not the case. For most of this website I will show you, they already are established in the industry and already have an active reading community. So if your article is able to be accepted, or your article can be accepted by any of this community I'm about to show you, then you can count yourself as a very wealthy man, because you're going to start making a lot of dollars. Now, without further ado, I have an internal community where I teach people how to make money online, just in case this does not cut it for you. And how you can be a part of that community is simply by going to the comment section and dropping a comment saying that, Phil, I want to be a part of your class, and I'm going to send you an invite that is going to get you to be a part of that class. Now, without further ado, if this is your first time here, I drop videos like this that help you on how to make money in the digital space. All I want you to do for me is to subscribe to this channel so that when next I share a video like this, you'll be among the very first to get notified. Without further ado, let's hop right in. Let me show you how this works. Now, the first website on our list is wordculture.com. First website on our list is wordculture.com. Now, wordculture pays you around $40 per day to write. Now, payment for wordculture is actually made every beginning of the month for the previous month. So if you write on wordculture, you should be expecting to get paid in the early part of the month for a job you did for the previous month, and payment ranges usually within $40. Now, all you have to do for wordculture is actually sign up. Now, there are certain entry requirements which will require you to actually send in a sample blog for them to review and be sure that you're actually good enough to write for them. And once your sample blog is accepted, then you can be sure that you are on your way to start making money in the digital space. Now, wordculture focuses on a number of industry: the film industry, TV, gaming, comic, music, offbeat, quiz. So basically, you do not have to be you do not have to specialize in one industry. As long as you are good with any of this, you are good to go. Now, the next website on our list is blastingnews.com. Now, you can see it says stay tuned and discuss what matters to you. Now, a number of people come here on wordculture just to get good quality content so that they can read. Now, you can see wordculture focuses on breaking news from different countries. It has News Italy, News Brazil, France, Spain, UK, and of course the US. Now, wordculture usually focuses more on breaking news, and that is why I said in my title that you can actually leverage Google News to actually make money from this platform. Now, once you can be able to leverage Google News, then you can count yourself a lucky person. Now, if you do not understand how to actually use Google News to actually generate content that you can use for a website like this, blastingnews.com, all you have to do is to actually click on the link in the description below, or actually come on the comment section and ask me, Phil, how do I learn how to use Google News. And I'm going to send you a link to that video, and all you have to do is to watch it so you understand how that works. And of course, you can now come back to blastingnews.com, register, and then you're on your way to making a lot of money. Now, the next website I want to show you is writersweekly.com. Now, writersweekly.com pay you from the range of $30 to $50 weekly for you to get accepted. Now, for you to write for them. Now, for you to get accepted into writersweekly.com, you might need to pass an entry test, which will require you sending a sample article, and that would also require you to send a link to articles you've written before, websites you are affiliated with, or probably platforms you are affiliated with, because they want to be sure that whoever is writing for them has a track record of actually writing. However, Writers Weekly pay you from $30 to $50. So any hassle, any work you would need to do in order to prove to them that you are a good writer doesn't really count. It's just about you making money. All right. So my simple advice would be actually, creating content for them, writing the content that would pass the entry test. And once your content passes the entry test, then you are good to go, and you can consider yourself a writer with Writers Weekly. Now, the next website I want to show you, of course, is bustle.com. Now, bustle.com would also, like every other website, require you to actually pass an entry test. Now, bustle.com usually focuses on lifestyle. You can see here it focuses on lifestyle, so you must be very vast with lifestyle and be able to write in this industry to be able to make it through bustle.com. Now, you can see bustle.com is saying entertainment, style, beauty, wellness, life, originals, amplify our voices, and all that stuff. So basically, all you have to do to understand how this works is to come to the About Us page to see how it works, and then you can actually understand fully how it works. Now, for you to actually work with bustle.com, all you have to do is to actually sign up, and then you're good to go. The next website I want to show you, which is of course the last on this list, is eCommerce insiders.com. Now, eCommerce insiders.com pay you from within the range of $20 to $70 to actually create content from there, and then their content are usually e-commerce focused. Now, you can see that they are focused on the commercial industry, so you must be able to be versed in writing in the commercial industry. And also, you can see what they're saying here that says, while a strong case can be made that Exposure Insider is more than adequate compensation as a news site, we want to reward our early writers for their commitment to our growth. As such, we've chosen to pay for high quality, exclusive, original content according to the following schedules: $75 for every article from 400 to 600 words, $125 for every article above 600 words, $150 for every articles that is 600 words plus. You can see the application guideline here. It says, please only apply if you have specific e-commerce experience or experience in a field that is directly relevant to e-commerce, that is fulfillment, e-commerce software, inbound marketing. Detail this experience in your application. Application without links to writing samplers will not be considered. Like I mentioned, you need to show that you've written in this category before. In your application, please include at least one pitch for an article you'd like to write for e-commerce. So eCommerceInsiders.com also actually accept applications, as long as your application for any content you want to write for them is actually good enough. They do not mind. Now, without further ado, guys, I want you to start making money, so quickly start implementing everything I just showed you in this video, and then you're on your way to making tons of money in the digital space.